The Nikon Z30 is definitely a favorite for content creators for YouTube channel, TikTok, video and content creation for your business. It delivers great photos and videos. Best part of it, it's easy to use. It shoots nice sharp 4K videos and super slow 120p full HD and give you a lot of room for creativity. You can record full HD continuously, yes, continuously for up to 2 hours 15 minutes. No more 30 minutes record limit for the Z30, and it can be powered via USB Type-C port. The 20.9 megapixel sensor captures great images with plenty of details and vibrant Nikon colors. The camera is compact, easy to understand and use, so if you like creating content, this is a camera for you.